Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making peanut butter and banana tacos. Okay, what you're going to need is some peanut butter, a banana, and some tortillas. These are fajita size. You can get these in a pack of 20 or a pack of 40 at the store if you like. Also 10s. Oh, these make really good for snacks. You can also get the taco size if you want, but for like snack stuff, this fajita size works great. Okay, so let's get this going. I'll show you how to do it, and this will be just a quick healthy snack for you, and we'll then enjoy it. Okay, well, I'll see you in a little bit here. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to cut up the banana here. So you just take this and break it open. Banana is full of potassium, and if you happen to be getting a lot of cramps, a lot of times if you start eating bananas and of course drinking some more water and fluids, eating the bananas and the getting your fluids in there would help you out a lot. And what you want to do is slice up your banana here for this, and if you do it right, you come out with about 18 slices. Don't need to be exact, but nice thin slices. Okay, and so usually what I do, I figured that when I do something like this is a little quick little snack that I kind of throw together for myself. And the one banana you can stretch over about 3 of the tortillas here. So we got the banana here. So now I find using a spoon a lot easier for the when you're doing this with the peanut butter. And the majority of the time I actually use a spoon to spread the peanut butter. Just seems to work better than if you use a knife. And you just take the spoon, get it out of your peanut butter jar, and get a good spread on the tortillas. And all right. Throw that back over there. Now I got all this going in here. So I got the 3 tortillas. What you're going to want to do is you take about, let's go ahead and put in your 6 banana slices on each one here. The bigger ones here. And, sometimes the banana is in here. Well, there's 5. So you can get almost 18. I only got 16 on this one. But the next thing you do is you just take these and fold it over like so. And There you go. You got your 3 peanut butter and banana tacos. I would call these quesadillas, but since they don't have cheese, they ain't quesadillas. So I call them tacos. So, alright. So, let's give these things a try here. We'll give this one here. Alright, let's go. These are so good. These are a quick little snack. Make in the afternoon or make after you get home from work or school. And you know, and it's a nice healthy snack. A lot better than if you get you know, chips and dip, which I like to do myself. But alright, well, here you go. These are the banana peanut butter tacos. So take time to comment below. Make sure you hit the like button if you like this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I do cooking and food prep videos like this every Saturday, and I got some good recipes planned to hit coming up. I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure videos too. So just remember to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm gonna finish this one up here. Save these others for later on here, for snack later on.